going on, guys? It's Michaela with your Tuesday, December 10th, Wachusett Mountain Snow Report update. Come wash away your rainy day blues by carving up the slopes. We've been working hard pushing the snowmakers the last few days to produce the best trail coverage and conditions possible, and snowmaking is set to resume tomorrow. We're looking at a mostly cloudy day with a second wave of rain later this afternoon, but there's some great spring-like temperatures ranging from 50 degrees to 39, along with some southwest winds up to 14 miles per hour. Don't shy away, the best skiers and riders are always up for a variation. And not to worry, machine-made snow is much more durable than natural powder, so these trails are always ready. We still have 4 terrain park features set up on the side of Challenger and are ready for some Tuesday action. In the meantime, we're pushing snow around Hitchcock and designing this season's full park layout. And always remember, it's skiing weather all the time. And this Friday, December 13th, is the Wachusett Brewery Tapiversary Party. Come celebrate the anniversary of our first pour of our beer of choice 25 years ago. This is a free event open to the public. Also, exciting news, our Black Diamond restaurant is officially open for the season. Its hours of operation will be from 11 a.m. until 8 p.m. And they're introducing an updated menu to offer some delicious new dishes. And that's all for today, guys. Stay tuned to these tape reports or visit us at wachusett.com for all the latest. And as always, I will ski you on the slopes.